What's up mga bolero? So, welcome back. So, today's video ito sa Maps Phenomenal. Nakita ko kanina. So, nakita ko yung title, nasilip ko yung konting video. Sabi ko para kay kay Coach Kit. Binati nagsalita si Coach Maps. So, hindi ko pa napanood ng buo kasi ko yun eh. Sa trabaho ko nakita ko lang nag-notify sa akin. So, tara, panoorin natin to. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, samahan nyo ako. Pero mas okay kung sa Maps Phenomenal nyo panoorin. Ako gusto ko lang din mapanood at magawa ng reaction. Kasi meron akong video na sinabi ko na nung si Coach Kit nag-apply pa lang sa PBA draft. Sabi ko, babalik kay Coach Maps to. Yung way na pagsabi ko nun, yung parang magpapasalamat kay Coach Maps kasi nakatungtong siya ng PBA, nakapasok siya na-draft siya, parang nagkatotoo nga. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga sinabi ni Coach Maps dito sa Maps Phenomenal to. Supportahan natin lagi yan. So, tara, samahan nyo ako, panoorin natin. Game!
9 years ago, merong isang bata na dumating sa Mavs. Sobrang payat. Batang-bata talaga, Totoy. Pero may malaking pangarap na makapaglaro professionally, specifically PBA. And because of that dream, nag-commit kaming dalawa sa ensayo na gusto naming gawin in preparation for next year, which is, plano kasi namin mag-try out ng 2015. By the way, dumating siya 2014. And yung commitment namin na yun, it's whatever happens. Kung ano man yung weather, sitwasyon. And yung sitwasyon niya that time, nag-aaral siya, sa amin siya nakatira. So minsan nakakauwi siya ng 9 p.m., 10 p.m. No choice kami kundi mag-ensayo ng 11 p.m. Minsan natatapos kami ng 1 a.m., 12:30 a.m., 12 a.m. Sobrang swerte na lang pag natapos kami ng 11 p.m. kasi nakauwi siya ng 8 p.m. So minsan naman, umaga kami nag-uumpisa, gising kami ng 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m. para makapag-start ng 4 a.m. before siya pumasok. So ganun yung tumakbo yung isang buong taon namin. We were both committed dun sa ensayo na ginagawa namin. We both believed that it will happen. And sobrang daming struggles nun. Not to mention, of course, meron ng social media nun. Every time we post the videos na ginagawa namin, tennis ball, medicine ball, 2 bola, 3 bola, cones. There were lots of people who were bashing, non-believers, telling na para daw kami mga baliw. Pero I believe we were crazy enough that time para maniwala na makakapasok talaga siya because wala naman siyang background sa basketball that time. He was just a normal kid na may potential, pero in terms of background, na nakapaglaro ng high school or sa mga malalaking schools, wala siyang background na gano'n. And going to college, Recta College, na walang background sa high school, it was going to be really tough. At alam namin yun. Pero we were crazy enough nga, sabi ko, we were crazy enough para maniwala na it will happen.
So, parang late bloomer pala si Coach Kit, no? College na late bloomer. Pero, kahit pa paano, na-achieve nila yung pangarap nila makapasok. Pangarap nila Coach Mab at saka ni Kit yun kumbaga si Coach Mab yung teacher, tapos si Coach Kit yung student. Pangarap nila makapunta ng PBA si Coach Kit. So, ito na yun. So, kaya tuloy na natin to.
And fast forward, after 1 year, nag-try out siya sa isang malaking school. 800 plus yung nag-tryouts. 2 lang nakuha and nakakagulat na isa siya dun sa 2 na yun, sa dami ng pumunta. Iba-ibang lugar.
Hirap
After
na.
a week, nagpunta ulit siya, meron ulit tryouts. 400 plus yung nag-tryouts, isa lang yung nakuha and siya yung nakuha. And we were, alam mo yung feeling na sobrang laki na na-achieve mo. Though, syempre, pagdating sa team, iba pang usapan na ensayo yun kasi hindi mo naman sure if you'll have playing time. Pero yung makapasok ka ng walang bakit, dumaan ka sa tryouts, walk-in ka lang, that was tough.
Hirap
Kasi alam
yun.
naman natin, yung mga teams, meron yan mga players na nakapasok na. You're only
Naka-scout na
fighting for 1 or 2 spots, or 2 slots, na 2015 nakapasok siya doon. I'm not going to mention kung anong mga schools yun, pero that was the first achievement. And because of that, we had more fire para ituloy-tuloy yung pangarap na yun. And, ano mo yun, taon-taon nag-improve, taon-taon mas nakikilala, taon-taon mas maraming schools na gustong kumuha. Yung 2014 projection was he was going to be in PBA after 5 years. So, supposed to be that's around 2019. Pero there are delays na hindi mo kontrolado. There are delays na mangyayari talaga and ito yung plano mo pero sometimes napupush backwards. Injuries after injuries. Hindi basta-basta injuries. Major injuries after major injuries. Dinaan ng pandemic. Syempre, lahat naman ng tao na apektuhan. So, fast forward, this is the 9th year. Simula nung araw na yon. This is 2023 from 2014. Na-delay ng 4 years, pero, I mean, that was my plan. 5 years, pero God's plan is 9 years. So, gusto ko lang ikwento to sa inyo kasi he was drafted. And ngayon, nasa PBA na siya. I mean, that's going to be another story kung paano tatrabuhin habang nasa loob ng PBA. But the journey going to PBA, that was really tough. That was
Oo,
struggle.
hirap yun.
Not given. This story is not about talent, not about God-given gift, hindi sa lakas na meron ka since birth. Ito yung tipo ng storya na dinaan sa sipag, sa tiyaga,
Yun.
sa hard work,
Totoo
sa
yun.
dami ng luha, pawis,
Nahihirapan talaga.
na pinagdaanan, sakripisyo. And I've seen all of the struggles sa pinagdaanan niya. And he stayed laser focused dun sa goal na gusto niya makuha. Even though there were people na kasabay niya, but along the way, yung mga ibang tao na yon, may ibang ginawa, napunta yung focus sa ibang bagay. But he stayed on that track. He stayed focused and believed that it will happen. And I think this story goes for everyone na nanonood ngayon. This story is for you to understand na it's not really about the talent that you have. It's about the heart na meron ka. It's about yung dedication mo, the commitment that you can make for the one thing that you love. This story is for all those people na may pangarap, to give inspiration and motivation na lahat posible. For as long as tatrabahuhin mo, for as long as maniniwala ka, it really doesn't matter if maniniwala yung ibang tao sa paligid mo. It really doesn't matter if yung ibang tao sa paligid mo or ibang tao na kasama mo mag-iiba ng landas. What matters most is if you will still believe kahit na hindi na sumasang-ayon yung panahon sa'yo, yung mga tao sa'yo, people will continue to bash you, down you, or even tell stuff na pag narinig mo masakit. Pero after 9 years, he's in the PBA, and I want to tell you, congratulations, and you are going to be a big inspiration para sa lahat ng mga tao na nanonood, sumusuporta. And even those people na hindi pa kilala yung journey mo, hindi pa alam yung journey mo, that's going to be one hell of a story. Na pag narinig nila, mafe-feel nila, it's also possible na mangyari sa akin.
Totoo.
It just depends on how much I want it. And sa tingin ko, this is the time for the next generations na kayo naman ang maniwala. Kayo naman ang trumabaho. Of course, you'll make sacrifices. Pero kung nangyari na sa kanya, it's not impossible na mangyari din sa inyo. There'll be times hindi mo alam kung paano mangyari, but the Lord will provide for as long as hindi ka titigil. Kaya, Kit,
Yun, no?
congratulations.
Woo!
And sobrang proud ako sa'yo.
Grabe. Binanggit niya na si Coach Kit. Ang tagal na panahon. Simula na wala si Coach Kit, binanggit niya na si Coach
San
Kit.
Miguel Beerman select Kit Jimenez.
So, hanggang na lang yun. Nakakatawa kasi, ayun, narinig ko na yung, simula nung umiwalay si Coach Kit, ngayon narinig ko na yung pangalan ni Coach Kit sa channel ni Coach Mabs. So, ayun lang yung natutuwa lang ako kasi yung pangarap nila. Hindi natigil si Coach Kit, talagang tinuloy-tuloy niya. Siyempre, number one, hindi naman mawawala yung nasa puso, nasa utak niya yung pinagsamahan ni Coach Mabs. Bit-bit niya pa rin yung kaya nga siya nagtuloy-tuloy. Siguro, yun nga, para sa kanya talaga. Tapos pinaghirapan niya talaga, Coach Kit. Tinarabaho niya talaga bago siya makabot dyan. Kung di man siya bigyan ng kontrata, kagaya na sinasabi ng iba, okay lang, at least, di ba? At pinik ka. Kahit may kesyo, may backer pa yan na tinawagan na ganito, wala problema doon. Di ba? May plano pa rin yun. Lahat yun, pagtatrabaho mo pa rin. Hindi yun porque may backer ka. Kahit sa trabaho, porque may backer ka. Pag nakapasok ka, doon ka lang. Hindi, magtatrabaho ka pa din. Pagtatrabaho mo, ganun lang kasi. So, ayun lang. Nakakatawa lang kasi parang magkuya. Naabot nila yung pangarap nila. Congratulations kay Coach Mabs at saka kay Coach Kit. So, magandang inspiration yung nangyari kay Coach Kit. Kaya sipagan lang lagi natin, magtitigil sa mga goal natin, sa pangarap natin. So, ganito lang itong video na to. Supportahan lagi natin sila. Hanggang sa susunod ulit. Peace!